brother. Come on. I don't need it. It's fine. This is unreal. This is unreal. This is unreal. You're on the other side of the fence. Listen, I'm helping the employees out here. I'm helping the employees out. What's that?
I said they might as well put you on payroll.
Yeah, they should. I agree. I don't need this kid's seat. Come on. Oh, perfect. All right, we're back here for a bonus race. Probably no main event race this week because my GoPro kind of died halfway through. So that was fun. It was a really cool event. We did 2-person endurance races. So for a whole hour, we were out there racing. And honestly, it was a ton of fun for us. But even if I would have recorded it, I'm not really sure it would have been that riveting, much riveting racing. Because aside from like the very first stint of people, there really wasn't a lot of side-by-side racing. It was just kind of doing a lot of laps. So it wasn't like anything crazy. We took second by a lap, which was unfortunate. But the winning team pulled off a crazy strategy. So beforehand, we were told that the carts would probably last, 25, 30 laps on max charge, okay? At the very end of the race, the team who took first, they had a stint. They stayed out there as long as possible. They were out there for 61 laps, which is much farther than we expect the battery life of these carts to go. So kudos to them for trying that, because that was crazy. All right, well, we gotta take a second here for a little caution.
2 seconds later.
And we're back. So yeah, crazy strategy that they did. It worked out, obviously, because they won by a single lap in front of us, which me and my teammate took second. And honestly, though, I completely punted one of the pit stops. I was kind of like, I don't know. We didn't. I didn't. Not Dave's fault. My fault. I was definitely not ready for when he came into the pits, and it took longer than it should have, and yada yada yada. I definitely lost this probably a lap that could have been the lap that gave us first place. So it's still my fault. I punted. But we know for the future. It was the first time we ever did it, and I'm sure we're gonna refine the concept in the future. So that's cool. Yeah, but if you like what you see, make sure you hit the old like button. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. If you're a TikToker, make sure you check me out on TikTok. I'm uploading some shorts and stuff. Because TikTok's just a wild platform. It's like the Wild West out there. Anything can be popular, and it's amazing. And that's why TikTok's amazing. You can basically do anything and become popular on TikTok. People might find it interesting, so I don't know. I think it's fantastic. Anyways, I should probably concentrate on actually racing, huh? Ow! Oh boy, these are horrific leader sections. Oh my gosh! Holy moly, those are horrific. Ow! I will not be punted out of corners. I refuse. Ow! Jesus Christ! What the? Holy brother! We got to use some brakes up in here. Oh, goodness. Okay, alright, we're filing back in. These leader sections are definitely some of the most punishing we have ever seen. Okay, I was really... I thought I was going to get turned there for a second. We had to look around. Oh no, I got to take the... I don't know which one of these is worse. One of these is... Well, I mean, they're both horrible. This one... I think this one is probably the worst one to take. You can't... this is like barely a cart wide. It's horrible. This cart feels great, though, I'll tell you what. I love this cart. It feels fantastic. I'm not sure it's fast, but it feels fantastic. It definitely, has great handling. Ah! Okay. All right. Well. Yeah, oh, okay, wow. I thought I was about to get turned. I really thought I was getting turned. You forgot a section there, bud. That's okay. That's okay. No, it's not. Now I gotta take the bad section. Oh, a little too close, a little too close. Yeah, it handles that turn really well. It has the perfect amount of trail braking there, where it feels great. This is a sketchy sitch. This is sketchy. Holy brother! Ah! Leader outside the cones always makes for some entertaining racing. That's for sure. Oh boy!